All right, it's Friday, September 8th, just following up on the QQQs. A little less than 2 hours to go in trading. You can see it finally made kind of a big push down and took out this first little target here that I was talking about on the previous video, and then we'll see if we can get to the lows of the day. I just scaled out to set up the no-risk trade. I bought those options, this 378 puts earlier in the session at 610. Just scaled out at 660, 50 cents higher now to see what unfolds for the rest of the afternoon. Again, after seeing this big drop here early in the morning, I anticipated that we were possibly going to have the higher highs and the lower lows here on this particular time frame, which lines up with kind of a failed two up bar, but more importantly, it was the inside weekly bar on the last day of the week that was close to ending up red on the week, which should project a little lower to at least test that area into next week. We'll find out if that's the case or not. Doesn't have to be, but that's more likely than not if we close red. So given everything with a potential, the monthly chart's also down for the moment. So the continuity is still down, and given this, and then once you had this push down, that to me said it was too much of a pullback to kind of test the highs of the day, and I was anticipating this fourth bar might be the high of the day. So anyway, now we're coming lower. We'll see if we take out the intraday lows. We'll see if we get even to the pre-market lows and can kind of fulfill that megaphone look for the day. That'll have the failed bar on the daily chart, and it'll keep the weekly chart red and with a little bit of expectations lower next week. So let's see what unfolds now. It's no risk, and it's heading lower here. Options are now up to 670 or so. Bought those at 610, so no risk here at this point. I'll break even at worst if it doesn't follow through on the second half of the trade, and if it does follow through, then it can end up being a nice trade with, like I said, about an hour and 45 minutes to go in trading.